it's dangerous in those abandoned mines.
No, it's totally safe. No, I'm just kidding.
One day has only
25 hours.
how many?
24.
Hi guys!
A lot of you guys wrote us and told us to make vlogs in Romania because it's a very beautiful country.
Yeah, and we really care about your opinion.
Exactly, and we're not alone. We're together with one of the best, let's say, best Romanian YouTubers, a guy who we admire very much because he has a lot of vlogs made in Romania with a lot of beautiful drone shots. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, Adi Seres!
Hello! It's really good to meet you guys, and I'm looking forward to explore the Apuseni Mountains.
Located in western Romania, the Apuseni Mountains are not high, but you will be literally blown away by their beauty. Woods, canyons, waterfalls and caves, these are their treasures. We are in the Crisul Repede canyon, near the town of Oradea.
Suntem la discotecă. Nu?
Da. Da, acum e foarte popularizat cu discotecă, e mai
sunt 5
cool, mai...
care dansează, e super popular.
Today's first challenge. Alexandra is going to find out what the Via Ferrata is.
Asta e hamul și mai ai partea de kit Via Ferrata, care e format din carabiniere, cele două, lonje elastice și un sistem care absorbe șocul la cădere. Bun, deci ca și idee, cu asta te asiguri, poți să încerci aici pe treapta asta, așa, și cealaltă. Sunt sigure. Cum ești asigurată?
Mă simt în siguranță.
Ca să te asiguri, unul dintre carabiniere rămâne pe o porție de cablu și pe celălalt mulți deasupra și abia după aceea pui și al doilea. În caz de cădere, unul să fie tot timpul sigur.
Ok.
Now it's my turn to try something unusual. I've been waiting a long time for the opportunity to dive in a flooded mine. Cave diving is a very dangerous sport. It requires a lot of knowledge and experience. In essence, the number one cause of serious injury and death in cave diving is not gear failure, getting lost, becoming trapped or running out of air, but divers exceeding their limits of their personal training and experience. Today I will dive alone, but Alexandra will be on my side through the GLADIUS mini underwater drone, which we have already reviewed in another vlog.
Bun, deci eu o să mă duc pe firul care e pus pe peretele din stânga și voi rămâneți cu drona în dreapta, rămâi pe tavan, că jos este sedimentul care poți să-l tulburi, să nu ne încurcăm. Întotdeauna firul de la dronă să rămână pe dreapta, firul meu ghid pe stânga. Orice ar fi, firul meu e liber, da? Că am pierdut GoPro-ul.
Ce?
Nu că sunt niciunde, vreau să fie agățat de mine.
Suddenly we have technical problems, cloudy water, loss of underwater camera, excessive nervousness. Bottom line, a failed dive.
M-am dus seara până în capăt. Nu e, trebuie să vin. Mai am de aia pentru mâine. E limpede mâine, că văd de sus și îl găsesc, asta e.
But just like every cloud has a silver lining, just across the road from the flooded gallery we find another abandoned mine, a dry one, where we spent 2 really adventurous hours, in the good old Tom Sawyer style.
Andy, why do you think it's dangerous in those abandoned mines?
No, it's totally safe. No, I'm just kidding.
What's that?
Some blood.
Oh yeah, it's blood.
Îți doresc să mai continuăm?
Mergem până în capăt.
Da, hai. It's very unstable. It looks like you can break entire pieces of the wall.
Look at the mushrooms on that tree. No, it's really cool.
Any ideas why it is abandoned?
Baby, it's haunted.
Oh, it's Batman!
Hello, Batman.
Oh, it's just a bat. What do you think? Why has this wall been made?
I think it's only a safety thing, so it keeps people outside.
It's a limestone. There are a lot of natural caves, and while they dug for the mines, they got into these galleries, these natural caves, you know? That's why we're like an artificial one, but there's a natural one. This area around here, near the cave Unguru Mare,
Very nice area.
is advertised as the seaside of the Apuseni Mountains.
Best place for teenagers to come here.
To make a campfire, to play the guitar, you know how that works.
Back to the Crisul Repede canyon, we are visiting the Unguru Mare cave, just as regular ticket-paying tourists. The cavity has an impressive 32 x 22 meters entrance, followed by a linear gallery where a lot of archaeological artifacts from the Paleolithic and the Bronze Age had been found.
There are a lot of beautiful places in Apuseni, and Adi will tell us.
The number one has to be my first breakout into the Apuseni Mountains, and that's Mountains Vlădeasa, the peak which offers you an amazing experience walking through some amazing tall pine trees, and also the view from the top of the mountains. It's simply beautiful with the surrounding of the Apuseni Mountains, so totally recommend it.
And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars.
Number two has to be Cheile Turzi. It is family friendly. You can go with your kids, do a beautiful hike. You can see the gorge from both of the sides. Simply amazing, family friendly, totally recommend it. But also, if you like more extreme activities, it is highly recommended for hiking, climbing. You can do a Via Ferrata. It is simply beautiful, so it has to be number 2. Number 3, it has to be the waterfall, Vadu Crisului. Although most of the tourists are going only till the waterfall, they miss hiking the Lesbos Peak, which offers you a beautiful panoramic view of Vladasa Peak, but also the surroundings.
Let's make the most of this night. Come on, baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't want to do.
Number 4, if you are passionate about kayaking, also enjoying the autumn colors, it has to be the place, the Lake Tarnica, which is like a 40 kilometers long lake, and it offers you amazing sceneries and loads of place to enjoy a beautiful kayaking. The last one, number 5, it has to be the Sunken Church from Jamana, where in the late 80s they exploited the copper mine, and all the minerals, all the toxic waste from the mine, they threw all the waste from the mine into this beautiful valley, when once upon a time they lived like 400 people, and now it's full with toxic waste. But it offers a beautiful color spectacle if you're looking at it from a drone, or even if you're going just nearby it. It has loads of red, orange, gray, and it's really dramatic. And the last mention, Salina Turda. It's a beautiful salt mine, 200 meters deep. But again, if you're afraid of heights, I'm not recommending it. Although it's worth going, you have loads of things that you can do, activities like table tennis, bowling, and it's also really good for your health.
One day has only
25 hours.
how many?
24.
Okay, take 2. So like Alexander wants to tell you, one day has only 4 hours. And in October
No, come on, guys. It was a great day. So I continue. My
it was
English is
a
very bad, so-
marvelous day. So we lost a GoPro underwater camera. The dive was awfully. Alexander's
Doesn't
got the flu.
Doesn't matter.
I might be next. With the flu.
Okay.
Can be.
But there's
Who are you, my friend?
but there's I'm just about to say.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pam pam.
If you haven't watched the beginning of this vlog, we've got today a wonderful new friend, Adi Seres, a wonderful YouTuber and Instagrammer from
you so
Romania,
much.
nature lover. He was our guide today in the Apuseni Mountains. Please be sure to check his YouTube channel and to subscribe, and ours too. Bye bye.
Bye.
Activități de 12 noaptea. Zgomotele ce se aud în pădure mă cam dau fior, dar na. O scurtă prezentare a situației. Adi la miază a pierdut GoPro-ul aici în peșteră și acum e 12 noaptea și am venit să-l căutăm, sperând că apa nu mai e la fel de tulbure, dar nu știu ce să zic. Ideea e că el urmează să se scufunde și eu rămân aici singură în peștera asta, în pădure. Cred că orice femeie și-ar dori chestia asta, nu? Partea nasoală e că încep să nu mai am baterie nici la lampa asta. Dar nu e nimic, m-am dus pentru siguranță, mi-am dus cuțitul ruginit din mașină, deci sper să supraviețuim. Țineți în pumnii ca să găsească Adi GoPro, da? acolo înapoi Adi. Se vede? Și ce se vede e cuțitul meu. Adi, ai vești? L-ai găsit? Yeah!
Ia uite ce am găsit noi! Yeah!